Hi guys, so today I'll be discussing the problem digital dashes. So first let's read the problem statement. You are given a string which consists of decimal digits ranging from 0 to 9. Each digit is made of a certain number of dashes as shown in the image below. For instance, 1 is made of 2 dashes, 8 is made of 7 dashes and so on. You have to write a code that takes the string message as an input and returns a total number of dashes. This number is the count of dashes in the string message. Then they have listed out the characters ranging from 0 to 9 and their corresponding number of dashes. Also, a string message is given as input and print the total number of dashes required to create the numbers as output. And in the constraint section, they have specified that the string message will contain at least one digit, but not more than 100, and each character in the code will be a digit ranging from 0 to 9. And as the sample input, they have given the string 123 and its corresponding output is 12. So now let's move to the algorithm section. So first we need to read the input and then assign that value to any string variable. I have named it as S, and after that I have declared two variables named sum and I, each with the value of 0. And then I have declared a hash map with a character as the key and an integer as a value, and I have named it as dash number. And then to this hash map, we are assigning um, numbers, characters ranging from 0 to 9 as keys and their corresponding dash numbers as values. And then a while loop is declared in order to iterate through the string s, and inside this while loop uh, we are performing certain operations. So first we need to find the character in the ith index of this given string s, and the corresponding value would be taken from the hash map, and then that value would be added to the sum variable, and then also the I variable is incremented. So when i's value become one less than the size of the string, um, the exits from the loop and the sum is printed, which would be our output. So if the input is 123, first we would find the character in the zeroth index of the string. So in this case, it's 1 and its corresponding value is 2. So the value of 2 will be added to the variable sum in the first iteration. So sum's value become 2. Then in the next iteration, a value of 5 is added to sum as the character in the second index is in the first index is 2 and its corresponding value is 5. Similarly, another 5 is added to sum, and then the loop exits and the value of 12 is printed. So now let's declare a string named s and an integer named sum is equal to 0. And then we need to declare a hash map with a character as key and integer as value. And let's name it as dash number. And we need to assign the characters from 0 to 9 as the keys and their corresponding values, and their corresponding dashes as values, and it's done. Now we need to read the input, which is a string, and then we need to declare a for loop to iterate through the string s. So then inside this loop, we need to add the corresponding number of dashes corresponding to the character in the ith index of the string s to the variable sum. So, and after that, we need to output sum. Now let's submit the code. And there's a small error, and it's accepted. So I hope the solution is clear to all, and thank you.